Hello, I want to show you how you can reduce your noise background in your audio track using Audacity. I have Audacity already running, so I'll just import the audio file to Audacity, and it is importing right now. Or else I can use the record button to show you. So let me just delete all this and record myself speaking something and work on that. So, okay. So I'll add some TV noise in the background and hello, my name is Jackson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking me out. I love you and I wish you well. Bye-bye. Okay, so that's it, and let's try to work on that and see how basically we can remove this noise background. So let me try to zoom it. Okay, so I will play. Hello, my name is Jackson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking me out. I love you and I wish you well. Bye-bye. Okay, so if I want to reduce the noise background, I will just head over to, I will select the place where I have the noise in my audio. For example, right here. Hello. Or right here. So let me use this. I will just select this. And after selecting that, I will click Ctrl A for select all. Then I head over to effects, go to noise reduction, and I'll first get the noise profile. And after that, I head over to effects again, noise reduction. I like to keep these stuffs at the default, but right on the noise, make sure reduce is selected and click OK. And the noise has been reduced. So let me try to play it again. Hello, my name is Jackson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking me out. I love you and I wish you well. Bye-bye. Pretty well, and it's amazing. Well, hello, my name is Jackson. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for checking me out. I love you and I wish you well. So it's nice and it sounds clear now. So if you can, you could again reduce, but if you reduce for the second time, it will affect your recording. So let me try to reduce for the second time and show you what happens. So noise reduction, get noise profile, effect again, noise reduction, and okay. So the place where you had the noise in the background will be silent, which means it has been completely been removed. But hello, my name is Jackson. Welcome back. You can see it affected my recording, my normal voice, right? So this is it, how you can reduce the noise background from your audio file using Audacity. But make sure you reduce it once and it will be effective.